Okay, guess which hand has the pedal we're going to demo today? Correct! It's this one! Shout out and thank you to the fine folks at Olinthus for sending me the Cicada. This is the Cicada, and it is the world's smallest guitar pedal. Like, it's comically small. Like, seriously, so small. Like, if you want to know how small, it's 1.75 inches by 1.3 inches. So what is it? This is a recreation of the Ibanez TS-808 tube screamer. Somehow these wizards managed to pack what fits into a full-size pedal enclosure, like a typical pedal enclosure, into this tiny thing. There's no typical foot switch. There's a tiny little button in here. I don't even know if you can see it. It's under here. And then when you depress the pedal down, that's how you turn it on and off. It ships in this adorable little box and also comes with this 3-way breakout connector. So we have a 3.5mm jack on the top, and our connector plugs into there. And then from here, we have power and then in and out. For controls, we have level, and this will control the output of the pedal while it's engaged. Next up, we have drive, and this will determine your distortion amount. And then we have tone, and this will roll off or increase high-end frequency. And for today's demo, I'm using my 1989 Orville by Gibson ES335 with Tyson Tone Deacon pickups, and this is tuned to E flat with the low string drop to A sharp. From there, we're running into my Universal Audio Apollo X6, and then into the Soft Tube JMP 2203 amp plugin. All right, so for this first clip, we're going to go for like a somewhat low, mid-ish gain tone. Here are my settings, and that'll be running into the Death by Audio rooms for a bit of reverb. I just think that's adorable. And it does the tube screamer thing. We get this kind of very dry, punchy tone that has this beautiful kind of mid-hump where it almost sounds like there's like a blend with like a clean tone. That's not what's happening. It's just the way it's EQ'd. But it does make for a very kind of dry, punchy, kind of a natural sound. You can really hear how well it responds to dynamics, different pickups. It's just like a very kind of gorgeous, quintessential rock sound. So enjoy. All right, next up, we're going to start with a bit higher gain. Pause for settings. All right, in the first section, you'll hear just the Cicada, and it's like a very kind of raw, a little bit brash distortion sound. One thing a tube screamer really excels at is pushing other drive pedals. So that'll be going into the 900 fuzz from Fairfield Circuitry. I have a full demo of the 900. If you'd like to check that out, you can click the link right here. So with these two together, we get a really searing fuzz tone. The boost and push and clarity that's coming from the Cicada really blends beautifully with the 900. You can hear as I'm doing like kind of big dissonant chords that like the high end definition is there, like the low kind of pummeling, crushing stuff is there. And then there's still just this like beautiful mid hump that almost makes it sound like there is like an additional, more clean guitar at the same time. It's a cool sound. Enjoy. And in this last clip, we're going just with the Cicada. Check out the settings. In the first section, I'll be on the neck pickup with the volume rolled back. Cleans up beautifully, obviously, like, tube screamers clean up perfectly well. Then I'll switch to the bridge pickup wide open. Great sound. Again, just like tons of clarity, almost like a perfect amount of bite. It just retains that kind of dry, punchy saturation that is incredibly satisfying, not only to listen to, but to play. It feels really good to play. I'm actually holding it in my hand. It's so small. Did I mention that it's small? It's small. And that's a wrap on the Olinthus Cicada. What's not to love? This thing is adorable. It is hilariously tiny and sounds fantastic. Like, don't let the size of it fool you into thinking this isn't like a full-featured pedal, or that it's not like top quality sounding. It is both of those things. And truly, how cool, I don't know what their plans are, but how cool would it be to have a whole board with pedals this size, like overdrive, distortion, fuzz, delay, reverb, whatever they can manage to fit into like an enclosure like this on a board that's like this big, I guess like as big as a sandwich. So I really hope they keep developing their line, because this is super fun. And honestly, like, it has a very good practical advantage. Like, you could get in a car or on a plane with your pedal board in your pocket. I dig it. It sounds cool. Obviously, it's a great form factor. Yeah, check it out. Links in the description below. And that'll do it. If you like the content, please consider hitting subscribe, like, share. On that note, subscriptions have been going up. View counts have been going up. Thank you for that. I truly appreciate it. Not only is it like helpful to the channel, but it's very exciting and fun for that to happen too. So thank you all for doing that. And until next time, peace.